If you manage a Telegram group, knowing how to ban someone quickly can help keep your community safe, organized, and respectful. In this video, I'll show you how to ban people from a Telegram group step by step, using the simplest method inside Telegram. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Telegram and go to the group where you have admin permissions. This is important because you can only remove or ban members if you have the right access. Once you're inside the group, look at the top of the screen and click the group name. This opens the group information page where you can see the details, settings, and member list. Now scroll to the members section. Here you'll see everyone currently in the group. Find the person you want to ban. On desktop, right-click the user's name. On some versions of Telegram, you may see a menu when you hover over their name or click the three dot options next to them. The goal is to open the Member Actions menu. From that menu, click Remove from Group. Telegram will usually ask you to confirm your decision before it finalizes the action. This is your chance to double-check that you selected the correct person. Once you confirm, the user will be removed from the group. If you want to make sure they can't come back easily, you may also want to review your group invite settings afterward. Depending on your group setup, removing someone may not always prevent them from rejoining if they still have an active invite link. So if needed, you can update the invite link, restrict permissions, or tighten who can add members. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can ban or remove someone from your Telegram group and keep your community running smoothly. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.